So this is my first seat in my basically brand new car. I've obviously lost weight since I last got in it.
There's a lot less here. You don't look like you're going to immediately bend the steering column if you have a small accident anymore. So it must be time to pack the carts into the van, ready to go. Looks a mess, it's going to look really tidy in about 15 minutes time, and we'll see you at the track in the morning. Good morning, we're here at Fulbeck for the test. Nothing seems to have fallen out of the van on the way, and it's a dry day. The floor's dry. It's the first time I've seen a dry floor in quite a while. We're going to spend about half an hour unpacking this, and then we'll get cracking. See you in a bit. It looks like we're pretty much set up and ready to go. Bit of tidying up to do, but here are the carts.
I'm loving it.
Is it ready?
I think we're ready.
We've had session one. For me, it was successful. The cart didn't break down. Alex, bad preparation.
Oh my God.
Whoever nut and bolt checked that cart, whoever was responsible. What are you doing? Why are you tightening up? I checked those. I don't know what you've done.
What have I done?
Are you sure you're not just like massively over tightening it now? Don't break mine. Right. Anyway, what we were saying was something fell off of Alex's.
Because Brad didn't tighten shit
We
up.
don't know whose fault it
We don't
was.
trust Bradley Philpott.
We don't know. Maybe it was intentional.
I feel like Sergio Perez in Red Bull.
Maybe it was intentional, so he doesn't keep asking me to work on his go-kart. But anyway, mine was fine. We're going to do another session in a minute, and the track dries a bit, because although I said earlier it was dry, it is dry, but you know when it's like super cold and slightly damp. Yeah, fingers crossed for a bit more grip. Let's go. Alex has now done a session finally. How was it?
It was alright. It's feeling alright. I now got to get my confidence back, because when you lose 2 wheels, it really shoots your confidence.
Alright, didn't need a life story. Also, we've changed his gearing and he's going to be quicker out of the corners now, but he's actually quite quick. I've done a 57.2. Closest challenger is Russell Endine, who's walking over here now. It's his first day in GX UK, and he's doing really well, but Russell's fast. And report after the next run. Bye. as you'll see from the different position of the sun in the sky, it's later in the day. There is no time during a go-kart day to do regular video blogs, because in between sessions, even when something hasn't really gone wrong, there's still a bunch of stuff that you have to fix. So we've both just been fighting fires all day.
This is the first session I've come off track. I feel like I've done well, and I haven't had to do anything to my car, so we're good.
I had to do loads to my car because the axle was loose. So even the most extreme preparation still results in extra work. But finally going to drink my cold cup of tea that's been sat on the side for 4 hours. See you after the next one. Okay, last session of the day. Swap back to the original engine, which is my engine that I'm not borrowing, just to do a back-to-back, see what it's like. Weather is much colder though. Looks like it might even rain. If it does, we're packing them straight in the van, because we don't want these nice shiny karts getting damp. I'm going to put my suit on because we're the next session out. See you after this one. Hope the footage is good. So, because we don't have a film crew and I forgot to set up a tripod, you didn't see any of the wonderful packing away and packing the van. We had a fun day. You got no footage from Alex because he had his camera on time lapse.
There'll be a cool time lapse of one of my sessions.
But you will see footage of mine, hopefully.
Too old for this shit.
Join us next time for more episodes of two old men do activities for young people. Bye.